Hello, welcome to Fuzzy Dragons. This is take 2 of Scrawlr Box because I didn't have the camera frickin' on last time. But anyway.
That's just talent, we find a way to say I'm not recording or something.
I know, I forget to turn it on. But anyway, so Scrawlr Box. So I actually know what's in this now, so it's ruined the surprise completely for me.
Well, you just didn't have to say that. You
well, I did. I didn't lie. So anyway, so open it up, and of course we have markers, paint markers. So by Edding, which is actually an okay brand. So
Never heard of Edding.
I have.
Okay.
Yeah, I have before. We have 4 colors, nice colors to work with, and then we have a pencil, a normal HB pencil by Stedler, however you say their name.
Stedler.
And then a uni pen, 0.2 chisel tip, which is quite cool. I don't know if you really see this. Maybe. How the end is like chisels. You can do like calligraphy on it. See, look, see. But it's got, you can, anyway, it's like you wrote it yourself. Yeah, I wrote it myself. And then...
Ends up poisoning from it.
Yeah. Got Mentos, orange Mentos. Oh my,
I've never heard of orange Mentos.
You really know they're okay.
I don't really like Mentos anyway.
No. And then the sticker, which is very colorful. All the markers are the colors.
Oh, it's the same colors.
Same colors, the markers, yeah. And then we have the magazine, which to me is pointless.
It looks like the kind of thing you do when you get, when you put tape up,
Yeah. It's got all this stuff about the supplies in it, which, we could just throw on my shoulder, but I won't. We put it, just stick it there. It is. This is a nice like drawing with the colors and stuff by, I like his name, Mr. Phil, or their name, I don't know, so, they've done work for Fender, the guitar company, Unity, Tumblr, Ciroc, Vodka, Blue Moon.
Ciroc's like a French vodka.
Is it? Okay,
yeah.
Well, they've done stuff for a lot of alcohol things. So, National Gallery, Kipling, Lost Pair Brewing. So, a lot of... That style actually makes sense for, like, I've seen it, like, labels in cans and stuff. That's quite nice. And, of course, we have A5 white card paper, which is quite thick, actually. And I'm going to rip a piece out because I'm going to do some testing. Because, that's what I'll do. So, we go rip the piece out. Put it back in the box. Oh, and the card, which says what we have. And so we've got... I think 5,100 acrylic markers in black, traffic yellow, telemagenta, opulent turquoise, the pad paper, a pencil, and the Unipen black chisel fine liner 2.0. So we'll put this back in here because I don't need the paper and I don't need the magazine at the moment. So we will close this up. The Mentos can go in there too. So can the sticker, which will just go in my sketchbook. So I do a quick kind of unbox a quick little I can't think of the word.
What?
I'm doing a test of all these.
Swatch,
yeah, we'll do a swatch of these. So you see my hand,
swatch,
yeah, you can see my hand. So see it's then you can do writing. See?
Who remembers those?
What?
Swatch watches.
Oh, I remember them. Yeah.
Wasn't that the one with the funky fabric wristbands?
I think so. I do think so, yeah. And then, of course, an HB pencil. It's an HB pencil. What do you expect? Hey, you can go light, you can go dark. It's an HB pencil. It works. That's what it's supposed to do. And then, of course, you've got to unpackage these. So, of course, just twist if I can. No, okay. No, maybe I should have been like, okay, pause and get these open. Oh, come on. Okay, you know what? We'll just know what colors they are. Of course, why do they have to put so much packaging on things? Okay, they've got little pull tabs here.
Go on.
I'll give you the rest of them. I'll try to get this.
Okay, you try
I'll try to get this one.
Yeah.
I'm still recording. I'm still recording.
Yeah. You can see how hard they are. I've seen these before.
Yeah. No, I don't have any of these ones. No.
I've seen them before. I think my dad also had a paint marker from them.
Quite possibly, because that's how I know.
Sell them like in industry and stuff as well.
Yeah. Oh look, I almost got it open. Haha, almost.
I'm here.
You got one yours open?
Yep. It's like pulling a condom off.
Well, hey, if you know what that means, somebody might not know what that means. Oh, look, I got it. Haha.
Come on, if you're open, what, about 15, you should know what condom is.
That's true. Do we have to? 13. We have to. Okay, you have to shake.
Yeah, they're like paint markers.
Shake. They don't have like ball bearings in them. So actually, maybe I should read this. What does it say on here? Is there any instructions on here? No.
There's no ball bearing. I can hear it.
Yeah. So I'm assuming you probably just do them like the other one. So hold.
Probably pump.
You can pump them, but holding them works the same. Oh, there it goes.
I don't use the magnifying glass.
To do what?
Okay, you push it up and down.
So this is the opulent turquoise.
Okay, that's really strange. Okay, you shake them first.
And then you just push them and hold them.
Down. You don't hold it, it says pump them up and down.
Yeah. Next one, please.
Okay.
Yellow.
Yeah, I might want to give that a better shake. I'm not really going to shake it.
So.
Shake the thing. That's
I did shake it. You don't really have to.
It says on the label. It's obviously an acrylic paint marker.
Yeah, so
you got to pump up and down, it says.
Yeah, like this.
No, on the paper, yeah, like that. That's what it says. It's working, I think.
There we go, almost. There we go.
It does say that. It does say, you know, like.
Ooh, very bright. Very bright.
Until I get in this.
Next.
Oh, give me a second, film them down. Yeah,
thank you.
Half decent shade.
Oh, it's black. This is the black one.
Yeah, I haven't got. I'm trying to still get in the whatever colour them yet.
My thumb is killing me. I just located it last night, so I'm having problems with my thumb.
Well, use your other hand.
I'm not left-handed.
Yes, you are. You can.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. I can kind of draw with my left hand. Not very well, though.
You used to be much better.
I know. I kind of forgot. See, there's black.
Oh, one time. I have problems getting in.
He's arguing over the. So let's see. We'll bring this over here. Oh yeah, it's quite covering actually.
Stupid thing.
So I mean, you could either use this or you could use this. So I'm gonna think like he might eventually, maybe.
Oh well, we'll take the cap off.
We'll just assume that it's magenta.
No, it's here.
You got it?
I took the cap off. I was pulling the cap off so I
You've kind of got it, maybe.
Oh,
you dropped it. Drop something. Oops.
Okay.
Oh. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake.
Anyway, the problem you got one could really shake it.
Yeah, see my thumb, so it's kind of like, it doesn't look dislocated, but it kind of was, because you kind of fixed it, but...
Oh, I didn't really, I think you got it.
But yeah, so,
I think you
can see how this side, I've got like, I was born with an extra finger on this side, but yeah, he's gonna try. I've totally developed a hand. It's coming. You can see it swirling down.
Obviously,
there you go.
Triggering a valve.
So that's a nice color.
Yeah, it's like a.
Just make a line or make a scribble. Your hand's gonna be covered in paint, but.
No, it's not.
Look how you wasted the paper. No, not really.
No,
Did it go through? No, it didn't go through. So that's good.
Yeah, you do like a YouTube short.
Yeah, but all the marker pen.
Because you've got Electroset, Spectrum Noir.
I've got all kinds of marker paper.
I think you've got the Hobbycraft one.
Yeah, I've got all kinds of marker paper. Yeah.
What was the other one you bought?
I don't know, but they're in the closet of doom, so I'll figure it out.
That one, sorry, that did bleed quite a lot.
Yeah.
Just see if you can get a plastic bit off the lid, because I think it's heat shrunk on a bit too well.
Yeah, I'll do that later. Yeah.
Yeah, I just can't seem to find the tear bit.
But yeah. So this is the Scrawlr Box for December, which finally showed up. Like I said, did I say that earlier? Probably not. Because the mail strike and all that stuff. So it's finally showed up. And I have these supplies to work with the prompt of, and I forgot what the prompt, something about chaos. Chaos confined. I have an idea. I'll think about it. I do have an idea. So come back on Tuesday, and I will have, hopefully, chaos confined, done. Which, hopefully...
No, chaos confined is sort of like this office.
Pretty much.
It's like rampant chaos.
It's exactly it. I'm not going to draw the office, but I will think of something. So please come back.
That'd be a great doodle if you're in the cartoon style.
The office?
You just draw the office, yeah.
Yeah, that's true. I could do that. It is quite chaotic. A little bit more so because I'm doing inventory of supplies. But, so yeah. Thank you for watching the chaos that's been this video. Haha. Boom tish. Laugh laugh. So we need to do all the good things little YouTubers need to do. So like,
share, subscribe, click the notification bell, leave a comment.
If you want,
give a thumbs up, please.
You don't have to, but it's always nice when people do leave comments. And
yeah, you see how professional this is done. You
know?
No,
not really. It's not professional at all.
It's more like Second City TV. This is production values about the level of Bob and Doug McKenzie.
Pretty much, yeah. All we need is a beer can. I've got, caffeine, Monster but Energy. I don't have, beer.
You like ask Monster Energy to sponsor you or something?
Yeah, I need the caffeine. But anyway, okay. So come back, like I said, on Tuesday, and I will have something done, I think, hopefully. Okay, bye.